Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix account not in the store on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to download any app from your app store and you're having the issue that your account is not in this store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So there's a simple way. You just have to open your app store and here very first you have to try to re-log into your account. So first open your Apple ID and from here you have to sign out first. Select sign out option and your account will be signed out. Now you have to tap on sign in with Apple account, then tap on continue, and your account will be re-signed in your app store. It will refresh all the system. If there will be any issue, it will be fixed. Or if you are still having the same issue, so you have to make a simple step. You have to change your country or region. So select the profile from here, and here you have to verify yourself using your Apple account password. And once you have entered your Apple ID password, you have to wait for the next screen. And from here, you have to select country or region. And then you just have to select your own country and region in which you are living. So once you find, just simply select that or tap on it. And then tap on continue option. And from here, select agree in the top right corner. And after that you will find the payment method section. If you want to add a payment method, you just have to add it from here. If you don't have any payment method, you just have to select the none option, and then you have to enter these information about yourself, or you can also enter these information with your payment method. And here you have to enter your credit card or debit card informations, then tap on the done option in the top right corner and your issue will be fixed. Your country or region will be changed, it will fix your issue and you will not find the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.